Okay, आज का सबसे बड़ा सवाल, will they or won't they? Modi and Xi are together in Hamburg in Germany at the G20 summit. But will they discuss the Doklam Plateau issue? The answer is no. They did exchange pleasantries though. And that's a good thing. It means no overt hostility.
शी जिनपिंग को आने वाली 9वीं ब्रिक्स समिट के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं तथा भारत की तरफ से उनको मैं पूर्ण समर्थन देता हूं।
But मुद्दे की बात हुई क्या? नहीं. So that means that the Doklam Plateau continues to remain a standoff like many other between India and China over the years. In fact, we even have a video about it.
India and China share a 3,488-kilometer long border. Bharat says Aksai Chin is ours, but this territory is controlled and administered by China. Also, the entire state of Arunachal Pradesh is claimed by China. They call it South Tibet. But ये confusion आया कहाँ से? Well, China's ancient maps and claims are so flexible that they have a lot of different territorial disputes with bordering countries. But it's not just maps. We should also blame the British Raj. ये वाला राज नहीं.
Back in Bosirhat in West Bengal, the situation remained tense throughout the day as life slowly limps back to normalcy. After shops were gutted yesterday and cars were burnt, there was no fresh wave of violence in the city today. The Queen's Chandan Nandi wrote a piece analyzing the political undertones in the crisis. With India's 3-1 win against the West Indies, Virat Kohli, the king of run-chasing matches in India, broke Sachin Tendulkar's record of the highest number of centuries in such matches, holding the record of 18 centuries now. And the win was further sweetened as it overlapped with MS Dhoni's birthday, and wishes poured across the cricket fraternity for India's most successful captain. There was a whole lot of excitement around Sridevi returning to the silver screen after her role in English-Winglish in a whole new avatar. So if you want to know if you should spend your weekend watching this Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Sridevi starrer movie Mom, then Stuti's review is the best thing you'll find on the internet.
अब ये कहावत तो हमने सुनी है that God can't be everywhere, so he made Mom. And Sridevi had to do one more good film after English-Winglish, and so here she is, in and as Mom. By the way, her husband is one of the producers. Just saying. The best thing about the film, the actors. Now we all know how lovely Sridevi is, and in this film, luckily, no shocks, she's as good as she's always been. A very thick South Indian accent can get a little distracting, but the way she works, the silent moments, or when she gives that gut-wrenching scream, she is so good.
The CBI continues to tighten its screws on Lalu Prasad Yadav. Today they filed a case against him, his wife Rabri Devi, and their son Tejasvi, who's the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, on charges of awarding tenders for hotels in Ranchi and Puri in 2006.
अब फाइल हमारे पास एक दिन भी कोई दिखा दे कि लालू यादव ने अलॉट किया, रेल मंत्री ने इसमें अप्रूव किया, तो हमको जो सजा मिले मिले.
But Bihar watchers say that this is part of the grand plan to break the Lalu-Nitish marriage, which has always been rocky. And of course, Lalu being Lalu has denied any wrongdoing.